Hi everyone, Karnika here, and today we are tackling a crucial yet often left out concept, adversarial validation. This might sound like fancy jargon, but trust me, it's one of the key to build strong, fair, and super effective AI systems. Let's break things down. While you're training a machine learning model to spot something like figuring out which credit card transactions are fraudulent, you feed it a bunch of past data to learn from, but how do you know it'll work on brand new data that it has never seen before? Here's where adversarial validation comes in. Imagine you have two data sets, one training data and other unseen test data. Ideally, these two should be similar, like sunny days and cloudy days. Not one a calm day and other crazy storm day. Adversarial validation acts as a detective. It takes both data sets and mixes them up. And then it trains a separate little model to guess which data point came from training set and which came from the test set. Why do we do this? If this little model detective can easily figure out the difference, it means that the training and test data are probably quite different. This is a red flag for our main model. Adversarial validation helps us identify the mismatch so we can improve our training data to better reflect the real world scenarios. Think of it like if your training data is calm, sunny day, and your real world data is crazy storm. Your model is going to be in for a shock. Adversarial validation works like a compass, ensuring that your model can handle sunshine and rough seas. It checks that your training data is similar enough to the real world, so your model works no matter what. Let's take a real life example, a bank using machine learning to catch fraudsters. If their model only sees old school scams, it might miss entirely the new tricks criminals come up with, costing bank a big time. Adversarial validation helps the bank to find the holes in their data and make sure that their model is trained on stuff that reflects the latest financial schemes, making it better for catching the bad guys. Adversarial validation is a powerful tool, but it's not the only one in our toolbox. We can also use data visualization to see patterns and weird stuff in our data. There is also cool statistical tests like KS test, which double checks how similar the different sets of data are. All these methods work together to make sure our model is ready for anything the real world throws at it. In the world of machine learning, adversarial validation is like a secret sauce that helps us fine-tune our model to the best they can be. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.